When I travel for business, I usually stay at rather simple, efficient, and pretty predictable hotels like Hamptons or Sparks. But this stay was something different. I was passing through the Northeast and just needed a stay somewhere along the way, and finally ended up at the Graduate by Hilton Storrs, located right next to the University of Connecticut, also known as UConn. And unlike Hilton's budget brands, this hotel is all about character, storytelling, and design. Graduate hotels are a really interesting concept within Hilton's portfolio. They're typically located directly on or right next to university campuses, and each hotel is designed to reflect the identity, traditions, and culture of that specific school. And in this case, everything revolves around UConn. From the moment you walk in, it's clear that this is not your typical Hilton stay. The lobby and public areas are filled with bold design choices. Patterns, textures, and decorative elements everywhere you look. It almost feels like a mix between a boutique hotel and a themed museum. Some of the design details are honestly a bit quirky. Lampshades, wallpapers, and artwork feature unusual patterns that really stand out, and not always in a subtle way. One thing you'll notice throughout the entire hotel, and I really like that, is the constant presence of the Husky symbol. That's because UConn's mascot is Jonathan the Husky, and the hotel fully embraces that identity. Another big theme here is basketball. And that's not random. UConn is actually one of the most successful college basketball programs in the United States. And I'm a European, so of course I totally didn't have to Google that at all. You'll find references to that legacy everywhere in the hotel, which adds another layer of storytelling to the design. My room followed the same design philosophy as the rest of the hotel. It was clean, well maintained, and definitely unique, but also quite dark in terms of colors and overall atmosphere. Personally, I tend to prefer brighter and more modern interiors, so this style isn't exactly my favorite. I guess my simple Hampton mind was just a little overstimulated by all those decorations. The bathroom featured a shower tub combo, which is always a bit of a downside in my opinion. That said, everything was spotless and well kept, so no complaints when it comes to cleanliness. The hotel gym was really well equipped. It's not huge, but it offers a solid mix of equipment, both for cardio and weightlifting, making it perfectly adequate for a short stay. Overall, the Graduate by Hilton Storrs is a very unique property, especially compared to the more standardized Hilton brands. It's not about simplicity or efficiency. It's about atmosphere, identity, and about creating a strong connection to the university it represents. The bold and sometimes old-fashioned design won't be for everyone, but it definitely adds character. So if you prefer modern and minimalistic hotels, this might feel a bit overwhelming. But if you're looking for something with personality and a story behind it, this is definitely a memorable stay. And I'm so glad I, basically on accident, experienced this hotel. I will remember this one much more than some of the random interstate Hamptons on the same trip. Have you stayed at any graduate hotels? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, maybe you want to check out one of my reviews about more simplistic hotels.